What's up everyone, Raijin here, and on today's video we'll learn how to easily draw Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. The first thing we have to do is to draw his headband with a big curved line and two smaller ones. Then draw two triangle-like lines to complete his headband, but it will be better to draw the points closer to the central line of his face. Now, a little lower, draw his nose and put a large smile on his face, or do a more complicated smile. His chin will go down as far as the distance of his nose from the top of his headband and has a small angle around the same height as the height of his mouth. A little bit higher, we'll draw his ears. Make sure they touch his headband. Now, before we move on to his hair, let's put some clothes on him. Let's draw his neck and add some details on his clothes. Quick tip, these zigzags add a really nice 3D effect. For his hair, you can do something as simple as this and add more hair close to his headband. Or you can draw his hair like a fire, which is a little bit more complicated but looks better. And there you have it. You just drew Satoru Gojo. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and more videos like this will come. Until next time.